What I've been talking about so far are issues that conservationists debate that really make a difference to our decisions in the way we act. For example, removing those feral goats from San Clemente Island, controlling rabbits, controlling squirrels, removing exotic plants from national parks. Those are things that people involved in conservation and environmental protection are doing and talking about all the time. The topic in the essential reading and a bit of the additional reading as well goes into things that are more not really practical questions that people are proposing at the moment, well, with maybe just a little bit, as I'll come to connection with that. But I think they're philosophically interesting questions that are worth talking about that do relate to our values. So there is predation in nature, obviously, and that means that a lot of animals get killed and that there's a significant amount of suffering. Should we be doing anything about that? Is it something that even raises a question for us? This question often comes up when you talk about the treatment of animals in general. So, for example, when I talk about what it's ethical for us to eat, people will often then say, well, if you think that we ought not to be eating turkeys or pigs or cows, what about lions eating antelope or zebra? Is that wrong for them to do? Now, at one level, you can just say, that's a silly question because the lion can't really think about the ethics of what it's eating in the way that we can. And even if somehow you imagine it could, the lion's digestive system